Good morning folks, another day, another deluge in Abernethy. Just on the Tarduf Burn and it's further downstream from the Den. As you can see right here, the bank, the path is getting undermined and will collapse probably this winter. Just the water swirls here and that trees hanging on for dear life. Probably the only thing that's stopping the bank collapsing. So, same old story unfortunately, lots of rain. Hopefully you can hear that, the rumble of the waterfalls going underneath the bridge. Ricky, wait, Rick, get back. Don't want him going in there. Come on, heel. Right, let's have a wee look. Looking pretty impressive. Pretty damn impressive. Yeah, looking good. Come on, you're not getting in there. Looking good. Look at that. Again, this is pretty powerful stuff here. Probably the strongest I've seen it in the recent month of floods and rain. So it will be interesting to head further up to where the Tarduf and the Nethy get close, just to see if it has been overwhelmed. There's a wee dam still in place. So that's where we're going to head to next. Okay, Breck, we're going to head back. Come on, boy, let's go. Go, come. Good boy, you're such a good boy. Let's go, not down there. Alright, we're back at the spot we were at earlier in the week. The little ridge between the Nethy Burn and the Tarduf Burn. And this leads up to the waterfalls. Breaks down in the burn as usual, so certainly the Nethy Burn, from what I can see, is looking a bit livelier this time than last time. So let's have a wander up along this little narrow ridge between the two burns, and we'll see what we can see. Oh, Break, up, come on, good boy, good lad. Oh yeah, definitely the Nethy is not a trickle today. Not going to see much. It's not a great camera, I do get that, but GoPros have their uses. It's definitely cooler than it was even after storm for day, so must be just a sheer accumulation of water, but I'm starting to see the waterfall now and it is looking pretty magnificent. So I think we can say that the little barrier dam at the top of the waterfall, it must be under severe pressure, or it was breached. Who knows, we shall see in a wee moment. But first things first, let's enjoy the splendour of this wonderful watery wonder. Oh, that's good, that looks good. So noisy. Most impressive. Hey, Breck. Okay, I'm going to take a couple of pictures with my camera now, so catch up with me as the lookabout continues. Okay, it's Brecky. Let's have a look at the waterfall, shall we? You must be able to hear that roaring, thundering. It's the most impressive I've seen it in this spell of weather we've been having. Wow. There it is. Listen to that. Very impressive waterfall. Hey, okay. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can hear me over this. I'm right at the very bottom of the waterfall, looking right up at it, and the full ferocity of it is very impressive. The power, you can feel the ground rumbling, the noise. Wow, power of nature, eh? Right folks, here's the news I was expecting. The Tarduf has been breached and it's flowing into the Nethy and probably quadrupling its flow instantly. Wow, that tells us everything, eh folks? Such a pity. I assume it's done it for donkey's years, but it's having quite a drastic effect in the village now. Here it is folks, sadly what we've been expecting for a while. This is the Tarduf. The little dam up there has obviously been breached and the Tarduf is filling in, as it probably has for many years, into the Nethy here. And just look at the Nethy before Tarduf, after Tarduf. So that's what's causing the issues down in the village. Right, quite impressive. And who knows what that was like last night when it probably had its worst. All this extra water is causing trouble further downstream. No good. Just another angle to really appreciate the force of this fun. Incredible. Amazing. Well, here we have it. The breach. The little defences did what they could while they could, but look at that, just a clear breach. The water's just flashed through and the water has to go somewhere, doesn't it? And get back, Greg, come on, don't want you tumbling down the Tarduf. Right, and there it goes, tumbling its merry way down into the Nethy Burn. And it's still bloody raining, but yeah, this is definitely the most impressive I have seen the waters this year so far. I'm so sorry for you folks that are getting flooded down here. My prayers are with you. Right, Breck, let's carry on. Come on, Breck. Having a walk back down to the village. I think I missed it on camera there, but a chap I just talked to has been watching my videos and appreciates what I'm doing, so that's nice. There's a lot of folks can make it up. Ricky, come here. Rick, let's see. Rick, this way, come on. Ricky, come here. Probably a cat. Some folks, for whatever reason, they're unable to get up and have a look, see what's affecting the village. Their time, busy with work, children, family, all that jazz. So I'm only too happy to do these little videos. I enjoy doing it and hopefully it fulfills a little service as well. Right, so we're heading back into the village. Repairing the damage, eh? Not great. You can see where they've channeled the burn and it's burst out there. Goodness me. How many more times will this happen, eh? Awful. Look at the mess of the place. Sludge everywhere. Sad. Very sad.
Map 3, 1923.
Okay, we'll head down the main road. Okay folks, that's the tour of the burns up in the hills above Abernethy and a little look into the village where the usual spot has been affected. Just got to wind up now. Breck's male's a cat. He's got arch enemies down here. I think at least 3 cats he likes to chase. And we'll just finish off. I suppose it's typical of the whole scenario. It's the crazy weather events coupled with poor drains that overflow, as one can see right below us, and the water trickling down. Yeah, this drainage system just getting overwhelmed and clogged up. Ah dearie. So from me and Breck signing out. Thanks for watching. Bob.